Yeah, hi, hello. Hi guys. So, in this video, we gonna discuss on about that how to speak with the basic communications, like to stranger or someone. So many people are there. They know the very well English, but they can't speak because of there are how to say uh, there are they not speak to someone, so that's the reason they can't speak. So if you they're practicing or if you speaking the every time, like on the supermarket, if you go to some supermarket, how much is this price? Okay, how to say, they like that way you will take that video, or your experience level will gain. Also, there other than I'm also the sum of time, I'm also stucking, I'm also a beginner, but so many people are there interesting to the learn in this language. The every day you speak with your own mind, with the conversation build. So many people there are they ignore it because of the every people they need to the consistency, but there are the skipping, like if you they are thinking, if I speak, I am speaking the perfect English, that time only I am speaking. So that is truly done, the truly the not, because of in this world everyone the initially the not perfect, because of if you made a mistake, that mistake will be you, the you that that mistake will be the learn from that. So in my opinion, you need to make a more mistake. Yeah, you can understand, oh, I made a mistake, so hereafter I can't do that. So in so these kind of things will be helpful for your speaking skills, like. So I am also a beginner, so we are the we are the English learning together. So if you want to speak to me, please let me know in the comment section. I will arrange the Zoom meet or something, one on one. We gonna take that video, put on the YouTube. So it is also useful for the, how to say, the like the podcast. So it is helpful for to someone, and also you gain the confidence. So the confidence is the key matter for to the everyone. If you have the confidence, you can easily speak. I am also the some of time very low, or I am overthinking, like how can I speak the English to stranger, or how can I speak, I am. So these are the I'm also thinking, but I'm do it because of if you skipping the day, how to say, the never come the perfect time. So you need to put on the effort to the every day, and some of at least the 5 to 10 minutes. So in my opinion, so be honest with yourself to speak to everyone in the English. If you shy or speak with your like the chat gpt and the Gemini, the lot of the AI platform there also. If you need, take that use. So no one came for help with you, so you did for your life. So these are the I'm thinking to say, share to everyone. So start the simple sentence, speak to the simple sentence, like the daily routine, like I am wake up, I brush my teeth, I gonna walk now. So I have the breakfast, I had a breakfast. So like that way you can speak the simple sentence. So I go with my friends to outing. So I'm going to college, I went to that place already. So if you need, yeah, you can come, or you come to outside, or something, you ask your friends, or something different. So these are the important things to you learn. The present tense, I wake up, I am walk, I am eat, um, and I'll also ask to this someone question. Do you know how much this? So I do you know, like, I am very well on this topic. I am good. So are you come with me for outing? Take a cup of coffee. So the like that way you can speak the simple sentence. You made a confidence. It is make helpful for to the everyone. So yeah. So thank you for the watching in this video. Please support me. I'm also learning English, so we are together the learning this language easily. So thank you for watching and supporting. Please, if I make any made a mistake, please let me know in the comment section. I will correct them upcoming videos. So, and also I mentioned, if you need to talk to me, please let me know in the comment section. I will arrange to the video or some meeting. We taken that video put on the YouTube channel. Okay, thank you. Bye.